What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. You know, Comme Garcons got that the play, got the heart there. That's what I need you to do, man. Hit the like button, man. It really helps the channel. Today we are reviewing the Converse Play 1 star. Yeah, 1 star. I'm getting confused because a couple of weeks ago I did the THEREEE 1 star review. Jones on the soundtrack. And those were good sneakers, man. But it's something about when Converse and Play Comme Garcons come together. I was kind of like worried because they've been reselling and restocking like crazy. It kind of took the iconicness out of this collab. But they're back with another play. You see what I did there? Play. They're back with another collab, and I can't wait to get into the review, man. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So, they kept it OG, man. The rubber's the same. The stitching is the same. Yeah, the Converse 1 All-Star logos there's the same. They kept it OG, man. They just added their little spice on it. I like when a collab does that. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. I like this box, guys. I know we like presentation over here at Sneaker Notes. I like this box, man. So you got a kind of white with gray Converse writing and logo all around it with the big happy heart Play Comme Garcons heart dead center in the middle. I like that, man. I really like that. Small Converse skinny box, but a lot of graphic design on it. Open the lid up and you got your OG tissue paper. Tired of saying regular. Your classic tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. 360 view of the latest CDG Play Converse collab. One of many, guys. Now what stood out me is that how they added the red into the star. The same red as the heart. I like that combination. THEREEE kind of just kept it black and white. I like the hit of the red and the star. Same color as the CDG Play heart. And I love the stitching around the star. Making the star look kind of like 3D. I like that, man. Come around, man. The whole sneaker is Converse classic canvas. But it's a nice black, man. It's that black that gets linty quick, if you know what I mean. But it's a nice jet black, man. Very radiant. So you got your classic Converse silhouette 1 star all at the bottom. Nothing's changed there. The glossy in the front. See the gloss? Nothing's changed here, guys. The stitching is a nice play and playful design look, but the bottom is straight OG all the way back to the Converse 1 star logo. As you get into the inside, same stitch and play, and there go another red star right there. Dead centered, just how it is here, just minus the heart. The shoelaces is classic Converse shoelaces, also rope look, white, close to a sail white, not a bright white, but I guess like a little off-whitish. The shoelace holders is also classic in that chrome silver look. Silver rings on both sides. The inside looks just like a CDG play shirt. And it has the heart logo there, Converse play logo inside. The bottom is also classic Converse. Even a Stussy had the bottom like this, if I can remember correctly. Looks like a chocolate bar at the bottom. This is the left shoe here. This is the shoe with all the tags and things. The Play CDG logo. And this looks to be some aging writing. And the other side says the printed motif may be damaged. It come off with heat and friction. It's just basically telling you the materials are a little flimsy. Yeah, and this is the left side. It adds straight up with the right side. Nothing's changed but the tags on the actual sneaker. Yeah, man, so if you don't own a CDG Converse collab sneaker yet, you don't want one, man, because they done came out with blue now. It's so many, man, so you got to be able to get your hands on these. These were kind of hard to get your hands on. I only saw them on Converse.com so far, and I just happened to hit it in time and waited for like maybe 2 minutes and then checked out. So, I mean, they're going to restock. The CDG Converse styles have been restocking for a long time. I still have these ones here, which are my favorite. I don't wear them. You can tell I don't even have any shoelaces in them right now. But yeah, these were my favorite, man. I wore these a lot. This just simply had the Converse logo on the outside with the CDG play hearts all around it. Here they kept it more classic OG. They did add their heart, but I feel like they could have added it more all around, just like this one. But this one is still my favorite. Let me know in the comment section below which one would y'all go with. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich.